Hello, everybody. Today we'll be doing experiment number 7, and for now, Yonghua is going to this experiment is for topo cloning, right? So Yonghua is gonna first set up the experiment, set up the reaction, following the part A, following the recipe listed in table 1. Okay, go ahead, Yonghua.
Yeah, this recipe total volume is only 6 microliter, so we'll use the same tube as PCR tube last time we used, smaller one. So recipe said we can put DNA PCR product, we can put 0.5 to 4 microliter. So I'll add 3 microliters of PCR product, which is right here. Then 1 microliter of salt. This is salt. Now we're gonna add vector 1 microliter. This is the same as last time Dr. Zia explained. We can keep enzyme and anything sensitive to temperature, we can keep in the box. So this is our vector. Same deal, we don't want to touch the solution. And gently mix it. It didn't say, but I'm gonna quick spin down solution because it's so small volume. I think everything on bottom of the tube. Then we'll wait in room temperature for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll place this tube on the ice.
Thank you.
Everything, your product from part A, and this is competence cell, DH5 alpha, are on the ice. And this part B, we are doing transformation into DH5 alpha, E. coli competence cell.
Right, you should have learned from the lecture how transmission works. Yonghua has thawed the cell. Right? It was stored in the minus 80 degree frozen, and then she thawed it on ice. Now it's ready to be transferred. So then she will perform the transformation. Again, it's very temperature sensitive. Everything at this stage should be done on ice. Okay, please.
So we'll take 25 microliter. Each of a liquid tube, actually we have 25 microliters of competence cell, but I'll still, maybe probably a little more, but I'll still take 25 microliters of competence cell into centrifuge, empty centrifuge 2. Then we'll add 2 microliter of topo cloning reaction that we did it from part A, which is right here. gently mix, little tapping a few times. Then we'll wait for 20 minutes on ice.
Alright, 20 minutes has passed and Yunhua is now ready to do the next step, which is to do the heat shock. So now we're leaving the ice and then going to the dry bath.
So this is 42 Celsius degree. So I'm gonna put 45 seconds of heat shock.
Alright.
So I'm gonna take it out and put it back on ice.
This is not written on the lab menu, but we typically do 2 minutes incubation on ice before we proceed. So we'll do the 2 minutes. Alright, we finished the 2 minute incubation on ice. We're ready to move on to the next step.
Next step is we add the SOC medium 250 microliter into this tube, but we want to make sure everything's sterile, so we use flame to kill non-accessory bacteria around it.
Right, so Yunhua won't be talking much because when you're operating now, you want to avoid talking to your media because you might spill something into it, right? So then you contaminate the whole thing. So you want to keep everything sterile, including the tip, which you will quickly flame, right? And then so at this point, a reaction or whatever sample is safe to leave the ice. Okay, actually we're gonna move on to incubate in the 37-degree shaker and shake it for an hour and a half. Okay, to recover. Okay.
So this is a shaker set up for 42 Celsius degree.
37.
37. 37.
37 degree, yeah.
So we just put it right here for 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Yep. All right. Thank you. All right, everybody. We're back. It's been an hour and a half. So the reaction has been incubated in the incubator for long enough. So we just recovered it, and then now Yunhua is going to perform the next step, which is to plate the reaction mixture onto the LB agar plate that has ampicillin resistance. Okay, that's going to select only for vectors that carries the ampicillin resistance. Sorry. Okay, go ahead. So Yunhua couldn't talk because again she's operating under sterile conditions. So I'll do the talking. So she's grabbing and she dipped the thing into ethanol, and then we quickly flame it to kill all the possible bacteria or other things on there. So again, keep everything sterile. Be very careful when you open the LB plate. Again, no talking. Try to minimize the chance of contaminating the plate with anything else. So Yunhua is now transferring the mixture media with bacterial cells onto the plate. She's now going to spread it very gently. So you want to spread the liquid across the whole area of the plate evenly. Okay, and now she's finished, and she's going to sterilize the plier. And now, okay, so now she's gonna label it with a marker. This is because you wanted to remind yourself what's in there, and also distinguish your plate from everyone else's plate, because you're going to share the incubator. Alright, now she'll turn off the flame. It's very important to do. And then we'll transfer the plate. Now you can talk to.
We're gonna
to
bring to
right.
incubator.
Right. So now it's a different incubator. This one is at 37 degree, but it doesn't shake anything. We'll just leave the plate sitting in there.
And we put
upside down.
Yeah.
Right. So this is to keep the moisture in the agar section of the plate. That's it. So after this step, we'll be waiting for 18 hours, 20 hours roughly, until the colonies will appear and grow to the right size. Okay, so basically we'll see the plate the next morning. Okay, thank you. Bye.
After overnight, you can see there are several colonies.